Hey guys, it is Monique with Meals and Miles, and I recently traveled to London and stayed in the nHow Hotel. This is a unique, vibrant hotel paying homage to the British culture in their own way, in the decor as well as the artwork on the walls. And I must say, I definitely enjoyed this hotel. Now, there are several floor plans available as far as room categories you can choose from. We chose the very basic room. They do serve breakfast here, as well as have a full bar, and I think the bar is open till 12 or 1 a.m. Also, transit is right outside within maybe less than five minutes of walking. There is a grocery store and restaurants are within walking distance. Now, this hotel is going to be located between the Angel area and the Shoreditch area, and it's very close to the city of London. What I love is the uniqueness of this hotel with the big black drapes on the wall. I mean green drapes, I'm sorry. Green drapes on the wall, the rose petals on the floor, each door being a different color. Like I said, they have multiple floor plans, but this is considered a boutique hotel. So there was only about 5 to 7 floors worth of rooms. There is a gym as well as conference rooms. Now, in the rooms, still unique, you're going to have your fridge, your tea set, and coffee. The hat being a lamp and being a nod to the British culture, the English bully lamp with the City of London map, the hand pointing towards the TV, and there's their desk up under the TV with another light. Now this is the smaller version of the rooms, and I love the wood wall with the Queen on the wall. Now the bathroom was the uniqueness to me. It was very cool. As you can see, we got a lady on the wall with her breasts blanked out. The colors were great, very vibrant. The shower pressure is really good and it does get hot. And there is a towel rack that warms your towels as well. All in all, I really enjoyed our stay at nHow Hotel. If you're looking to be away from the tourists, this is definitely a hotel you would like to stay in. And like I said, it is very close to transit. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.